Hello boys, we are outside the room, our room, room 7. That one, and thankfully the Wi-Fi is back. Room 9 is back. And I didn't know, it just happens. I opened the Wi-Fi and it connected. So yeah, this is the first time we record in here. You can see, I will show you a bit on the outside what I see right here. That is basically what you see just outside this room. When you open this, yes, and when you close, you go out, you see that surroundings. Anyway, it's out of the context again. Yeah, let's do this by changing the color of this square to this one, blue, and um, changing its size, stretching its height. That's too large, 250 pixel, and the width is like 20 pixel. Then put this on the center, so position. I'm excited. The Wi-Fi is now back, and I hope this would last until evening, since I've got to do something. So this is the 40, and yeah, the width is fine. We need to create another rectangle. So copy this. This is rect 1. This is rect 2. So this is basically the next to the rect 1, the left and the right. But before that, let's name this first rect 1. Copy the rect 1 rule. Paste down here. Name this rect 2. And yeah, from here, let's reduce the height, since that is what 180, and move this to the left side by putting negative value on the second parameter, negative 50 pixel. Positive to the left side, so positive 100, and to the bottom, so positive 100 again. Reduce the size of the height, 140, 30, 20. Okay, from here we need to push this downwards 20 pixel. Alright, a little bit offset to the right side. Push this to the right side by 10 pixels. Nope, 30, 20, 10, 100, 90. It's too much. What's happening? 98. That 100 seems fine, but it's not. I think we need to push this to the left side slightly by 2 pixel. Alright, now it has no overlay. You can't say overlay anymore. So next is the box shadow for the right side. Box shadow from 100 pixel to the right, 0 to the vertical offset, and 0 for the blur effect. The color is this blue. Alright. Nope. We need to push this 120 to the left. No. 102. Just like the left side. Wait, this is the same problem. Okay. 3. Weird. This is 2, 102. The left side is 102 and the right side is 103. Yeah, they're not the same. Anyway, we can start with the next rectangle, the rect 3. we might as well do the rect 5, the rect 4, rect 3 and rect 4, copy the rect 2 for our rect 3, name this rect 3, reduce the height, just like earlier, like 50 pixel, and move this to the left side. Left side here, 72. Just ignore the right side because that's the shadow. We can focus here on the left side. 202. Alright, we got the horizontal offset. Alright, now we need to increase the height. Yeah, push this to the bottom slightly by 10 pixels. Okay, now we need to take care of the right side. This box shadow, this is 180. 180. And it's not. 280. Too far. 190. 200. 202. 3. 203 again. Okay? And copy the rect 3 for our rect 4. Name this rect 4. Reduce the size again, the height only, like 25, and move this to the bottom 20, 60, 15 pixel to the bottom. 35 pixel to the bottom. So here, I must be here, 205. And then to the left side, we just need to increase this by 50, 90, 302, okay, and increase the height by 3 pixel. Let's make this 30, and move this to the bottom by 5 pixel, so 10. Alright, we got the left one. Next is the right wing. This is 303. Yeah, that's basically it. Last thing you want to do is the background. So body selector, background property, this yellow color. I will miss this. We forgot to submit. Let's check our score. Like 100%. Yeah, I will gonna miss this. Just no problem. School, because next year would probably most likely it's OJT time, so yeah, and there's a high possibility that I'll gonna left here. Anyway, that's all. Get out of here.